Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading your footage and the face asset into Kinemaster. Make sure both are trimmed to the section you'll edit. Once done, add the face as a layer media on top of the main video so you can position it precisely. You do this now because early alignment saves time later. Make sure the layer length matches the clip duration. If not, extend or split the layer. Adjust basic opacity so you can see both face and background while aligning. Now you'll match and lock the overlay to the subject. Use transform controls to scale, rotate, and position the face. Think about perspective and jawline alignment. If the face asset has a background, apply mask or chroma key to remove it. This keeps edges clean. For movement, add keyframes at key poses and nudge position/rotation over time, or manually adjust per frame for complex motion. Keep checking playback to ensure finish by refining edges and color so the face blends believably. Use mask feather and color filter or curves to match skin tone and lighting. Once satisfied, preview at full resolution to catch subtle pops or drifting. Export using a medium-high bitrate to preserve detail. If issues appear, like slipping or color mismatch, go back, adjust keyframes, or swap the face asset and realign. Small tweaks to feathering and opacity often solve ghosting. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.